Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Mo Bazzi. I'm a sales executive here at Land Rover of Windsor. Today I'll be showing you the new Pivi Pro infotainment system on our brand new 2021 Range Rover Velar. Most car companies offer infotainment systems. These systems are the touchscreen on your dashboard. They connect your smartphone to your vehicle and make it easy to check things like the weather, navigation, and countless other things. Here at Jaguar and Land Rover, we know a thing or two about vehicles. We keep up to date with the industry standards, and oftentimes that includes the new technology as well. Today we're going to be talking about the new infotainment systems coming from Jaguar and Land Rover. The Pivi Pro is currently being offered on the Land Rover Defender, but will be introduced into all vehicles. This infotainment system replaces the current InControl system. As stated on the company website, it isn't an upgrade of the InControl system, but a completely different design. One of the best features, especially for those who need to save time, the Pivi Pro will come with its own battery, so no lag time while it connects. Another nice feature will be the dual modem technology. Basically, it can seamlessly update in real time. Even better, it can jump from cellular connections with ease. It'll also make connecting to your clouds and other online apps a lot easier, as it will have QR codes ready to connect. We're looking forward to the new seamless Pivi Pro. If you want to see how it works, come on down to Jaguar and Land Rover at 9275 Tecumseh Road East, or give us a call at 519-972-6561, and we'd love to assist you. Thank you.